If you've forgotten your WorldRemit password or need to reset it for security reasons, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the WorldRemit website. Go to the official WorldRemit website using your web browser. Ensure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Login. Locate the Login button on the home page. Click on it to proceed to the login page where you will find the option to reset your password. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. Step 4. Enter your email address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Asher to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow the email instructions. Check your email for a password reset link from WorldRemit. Click the link and follow the instructions provided to create a new password for your account. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your WorldRemit account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to WorldRemit's customer support for assistance.